Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be taking another look at strings. Now we looked at strings in the last tutorial, and for the next couple upcoming tutorials we are also going to look at some other stuff that you can do with strings. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to come up here and we're going to declare a variable. So let's go ahead and dim username as string. So now what we're going to do is we're going to prompt the user to enter in their username. So we'll just do console.writeLine. What is your username? Now username is going to be equal to console.readLine. So basically just get what they typed in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to test to see if their username is a certain length. So we're just going to make a simple if statement. So if username, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add a period. So if username dot, and you can see here that IntelliSense pops up with a whole bunch of stuff that we can do. You can copy, you can do dot contains. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can use with strings, and this is very useful. So what we're going to use is username dot length, and now if you read the description for this, it's going to say gets the number of characters in the current system.string object. So if username dot length equals 10, then go ahead and do something. So we'll just do console dot writeLine. You have been granted access. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add console.readLine so that our program won't close right when we're done. So now it'll say what is your username, and if I type in something that's 10 characters long, so let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if we press enter, it'll say you have been granted access. Now if we type anything else that's not equal to 10, so let's just do something more than 10, it's not going to say anything. So let's just go back in here and add a simple else. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do console.writeLine. Your username is not the right length. So now if we run this, it'll say what is your username. So if we type something that's not 10 characters long, it'll say your username is not the right length. Now what we can also do, instead of using if username.length equals 10, we can just go ahead and do if username.length equals, and then inside of the arguments for equals, it'll ask us for an object as an integer. So we'll go ahead and do 10 right there. Now this is just another way that you can test the length value of username, and dot equals can be used for a lot of other things in Visual Basic. So if we run this, it should work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it'll say you have been granted access. Now this is a really simple tutorial, and you shouldn't have to practice it. And go ahead and stay tuned for the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.